Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the condenser fan motor rear support in this LG refrigerator, you will need a 1/2-inch wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a No. 2 Phillips bit. Be sure to unplug the appliance before working with any electrical components. Shut the water off to the appliance. Give yourself access to the back side of the fridge. Use the wrench to loosen and remove the main water line. Unscrew the 5 Phillips head screws on the bottom panel and remove it. Now remove the screw securing the fan shroud assembly. Unplug the fan motor. Use the flathead screwdriver to compress the tabs that secure the fan shroud assembly. Then work the assembly out of the cavity, being mindful of other internal components. Unhook the wire harness and unscrew the 2 screws on the motor cover and remove the cover. Remove the rear motor support. To install the new motor support, place the support onto the motor. Set the cover, then thread and tighten the 2 screws. Hook the motor wires over the cover. Carefully insert the assembly into the fridge and set it in the tabs. Plug in the harness. Thread and tighten the Phillips screw to secure the assembly. Place the bottom panel and secure with the 5 screws. Fasten the main water line to the inlet valve. Turn the water back on to the appliance. Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.